Ever imagine chatting with an AI as naturally as with a friend? This is the future with OpenAI's ChatGPT, now with groundbreaking voice interaction that sounds eerily human. But that's not all. Show ChatGPT a photo and watch it give insights with its advanced image interpretation technology. From recognizing historic landmarks to suggesting dinner recipes, it's like having a super smart companion right in your pocket. So, how is all of this possible? Stay tuned till the end to know. Imagine having a friendly robot that you could talk to, just like you'd chat with a friend. And what if this robot could not only hear your voice, but also look at pictures you show it and help you understand them? That's precisely the exciting update from OpenAI for their chatbot, ChatGPT. OpenAI is like a team of scientists and inventors, and they've been working on their virtual robot friend called ChatGPT. They recently told everyone about some cool new things ChatGPT can do. The first thing ChatGPT can do now is a voice chat, like calling a friend. Previously, to talk to ChatGPT, you'd have to type out your questions or thoughts, much like sending a text message. But now, it's as if ChatGPT has gotten a new pair of ears. You can simply talk, and it will listen. It's almost like calling up a friend and having a chat over the phone. The second thing ChatGPT can do now is looking at pictures, more than just words. Not only can ChatGPT listen, but it can also now see in a way. If you show it a picture, it can help you understand what's in it. For example, if you show it a photo of your fridge, it can help you figure out what to cook. Or, if you have a tricky chart from work or school, it can help explain it to you. Isn't that cool? Where and how can we use these features? Talking to ChatGPT with your voice. If you have a smartphone or tablet, you might know there are different types. Some people use iPhones or iPads, while others might use brands like Samsung or Google Pixel. The good news? No matter which one you have, you'll be able to talk to ChatGPT just like you'd call a friend. Showing pictures to ChatGPT, this feature is even more flexible. No matter where you're chatting from, your phone, tablet, or even a computer, you'll be able to show pictures to ChatGPT. So, whether you're using an iPhone, a Samsung tablet, or a laptop, you can share images and get ChatGPT's help with them. Alright, let's talk about some of the coolest parts of this update. First up, you know how we usually text our friends or family using our smartphones or computers? Now, ChatGPT can join that chat too. But with a twist, you can actually speak to it, just like you'd call someone. And guess what? It doesn't have just one voice. It has 5 different ones. Think of it like ChatGPT being able to sing in a choir with different tones. You get to choose which voice you like the most, just like picking a favorite radio announcer. But that's not all. Do you have a picture you want to discuss or get more info about? Show it to ChatGPT. Whether it's a photo of something puzzling or even a chart you need help with, just pop it into the chat. And if you're wondering how to start using this feature, it's super easy. If you're using the ChatGPT app on your phone, just head over to the settings area, kind of like where you change your phone's wallpaper or ringtone. There, you'll see a section labeled New Features. Give that a tap, and you'll be guided on how to start voice chats and use all these new fun tools. Remember, it's like turning on a new game mode on an app. A few clicks, and you're all set to explore. What's next? Initially, the voice and image capabilities will be available to Plus and Enterprise users. However, OpenAI plans to extend these functionalities to a wider audience soon. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button.